Hi, welcome back to Decorate Your Table with Brenda. Mardi Gras is coming up, and maybe like me you can't make it to New Orleans to celebrate. So I thought let's make a Mardi Gras table and we can celebrate by ourselves. We made this Cajun popcorn, so stick around and later I'm going to show you how you can make it. It's pretty spicy and it's pretty good. We also made these really cool little napkin rings. So stick around and I'm going to show you how to make those too. We're going to start with setting our table. In the summer, I found this black and white paisley tablecloth and it immediately made me think of Mardi Gras. Unfortunately, I didn't measure it and it's a little short, so I layered it underneath a green tablecloth because when you think of Mardi Gras, you think of bright colors, jewel tones. Then I needed something to just kind of pop up the middle, so I made this little felt runner. It's just a really nice, vibrant fuchsia pink, and it's going to help set off our centerpieces. My inspiration for my Mardi Gras centerpiece was I wanted to include the masks that they wear and the beads that they always give out. I also wanted to use all the vibrant colors that they use in Mardi Gras. So I have the reds, the purples, the golds. And then I elevated my flower arrangement on top of a taller vase so the beads would hang down, and the little lights in the centerpiece, they're my little nod to the little fireflies down in New Orleans. We're going to add our candles. Okay, to add a little bit of Mardi Gras to my candles, I bought these little necklaces at the Dollar Tree. Then to hang them onto my candles, I used the little hooks for ornaments and just hooked them onto the candles, then looped the necklaces onto them like this. And it just adds to our candles and gives them a little bit more Mardi Gras feeling. For my chargers, I went with these bronzy gold chargers, because like I said, they give a ring to that opulent Mardi Gras look. For my plates, I didn't want to go out and spend a lot of money on buying purple or green plates that I would use once a year. So I went out and I just bought paper plates. So I'm going to do some bright green, some emerald green. Then I'm going to add some bright purple little bowls. As you can see, this is our Cajun popcorn, and let me show you how you can make it. Hi everyone. So we're going to try something new. We're doing a Mardi Gras table, so we thought we'd do some Cajun popcorn to go with it. Now the recipe I have calls for you to do your own popcorn, but I'm going to cheat and I'm going to use these 3 packets. So let's get started. So we take our popcorn out. Very careful because the steam coming out of here is very hot. Open it up. Add to the bowl. Okay. So then we need some melted butter, and that's going to help all the seasoning stick to the popcorn. So just add the butter to the popcorn. I know as a professional they usually just shake the bowl, but I'd have popcorn everywhere, so we'll do it this way, do the hard way. Lots of butter, can't have too much butter. So now to start adding our flavoring. We're going to start with a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. We really like the seasoning at our house. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Half a teaspoon of onion powder. And a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. I'm going to give these a little bit of a mix. A little bit of salt and pepper to taste. We'll give it a little bit of a stir. It's all ready. Let's try a little bit. Yep. Got a little bit of a kick to it. So here are my Mardi Gras napkin rings. I thought they were a little bit of fun and a little bit of Mardi Gras whimsy. They were very easy to make, so let me show you how to do it. To start my napkin rings, I bought this glitter paper. I bought it at the dollar store, and it's got a nice weight to it, so it really folds well and holds its shape well. I cut them out 1 inch by 6 inches. I'm going to start by gluing the ends and making a circle. Then I bought these little necklaces. The best thing about them, they came with these little masks attached to them. So I took the little masks off, and then I cut a little piece of the necklace. And we're going to glue the necklace on first of all to give us our little rings. And then I'm going to add some feathers. Feathers and Mardi Gras go together. Then to finish it off, we're going to take our little mask. We're going to put a little bit of glue on it. And we're going to put it on. I'm going to put it on at an angle because it gives it a little bit more pizzazz. And there we have our little Mardi Gras napkin rings. We're just going to set our glasses onto our table. Then we're ready to light our candles and we're finished. So that was our Mardi Gras table. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope there's something in it you can use. With the Super Bowl coming up next week, we thought we'd do a Super Bowl themed table. We're going to make Super Bowl champion Peyton Manning's chicken parmesan sandwich. So please join us next week, and if you enjoyed our video, please hit subscribe and like.